Got a little set of steps here to do. What we're going to paint the steps with is this one here, Sunproof Gloss. It's the same as what I used on the handrail. Very, very shiny. So that's our steps. Now this is a water-based gloss enamel around the outside of it. So as you look back, it looks pretty good. I'm just using a very small brush. We're going to make these a non-slip set of steps as well. So we're basically just going to brush a quick coat on here. Doesn't really matter how thick it is. We don't really want it that thick, to be honest. And that's basically just to cover everything. I'm not worried about brush marks. The next thing I'm going to just sort of load that on there, put another coat on, put it on fairly thick, this coat, starting away from the cutting in so I can move a bit faster. Oh, I missed too much of it. Some of this is still quite wet from the other quick coat I put on it, and then we're just going to use very fine sand. This is here. I'm just going to sprinkle that sand over it. And this is just sand that I've had sieved already. It doesn't have any heavy, thick pieces in it. And that's just to take that gloss off, so when someone stands on it, when it's shiny, they're not going to hurt themselves and not going to slip. And just let that dry. As you can see, these ones here have had it in there, and we'll let them dry, and that feels a bit sandpapery, still wet. I'll give that like 10 minutes to dry, then I'll come and dust that off, and then I'll put another coat on, and that'll be it. If it was out in the weather, I would actually roll another coat over it again. Or, nice thick coat, but that's pretty good. That looks nice, so I'm happy with that.